All right! Let's do this. Hey everybody, thanks for joining us here on another episode of Free Beer with Charlie. I'm Big Al, and this is Charlie. Hey, how's our free beer community doing? We hope you've had a good week, Big Al? Oh, it's a good week, yeah.
Ah,
And here it is the weekend. We made it.
So glad. We thank everybody for being with us. We hope you survived. Oh gosh, it was another one of those weeks. It's getting that summertime.
Yeah.
Looking forward to getting the pool open.
That's right, looking for those special lagers that we're going to have
Oh,
this summer.
yeah.
Speaking of which, tonight we're going to be looking at a beer from Israel.
Yeah, did you know Israel made beer?
I didn't. I've never been there. Don't know much about other than what's in the Bible about Israel, because it's a long ways up.
Well, and it's God's chosen people, so
Yeah, exactly.
His favorite country, so it's got to be good for us.
Yeah, I know a guy who's from Israel, but I've never been there. Do you know anybody?
Now, my parents went several years ago.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
And, speaking of the Bible, it's pretty intense. Our perception of reading, and then when they were there, it's really the whole region, the whole culture is so different than what we perceive it. Because we talk about the Israelites wandering in the wilderness. Well, you realize that the wilderness is nothing but hills and rocks.
So how would you wander there very long before you...
Good question.
Yeah.
And you realize from where they started to where they ended up was only, by today's standards, a 7-day walk.
Oh my goodness.
And they were lost for 40 years in it. Crazy stuff.
Talk about getting turned around.
Yeah.
Always.
So, what do we know about Israel other than that?
I don't have any connection with anybody.
Well, my daughter just got engaged a week ago to a Jew.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Is he from Israel?
Well, descendantly, yes.
Yeah?
But I guess all descendantly we all are.
I guess so.
But his father's an actual rabbi, and he actually has a sister that married an Israelite they're living in Israel right now.
Oh, okay. So, cool.
Yeah.
So they could, if we like this beer, they can send us some.
Yes, that would be a good thing.
Yeah.
It'd be fun to actually get one of the beers from the actual country.
Oh, I'd like
It'd
to
have a
do
different
that
label and everything.
One made, yeah. Go to Ireland and have a Guinness, and right
and then
there.
bring it back and compare them with what we get. Oh,
yeah.
I'm sure it's different.
We'd never buy that again.
Yeah, no, we'd have to fly over to Ireland.
Here.
Oh.
Yeah, but anyway, so this ought to be fun. It'll be exciting. We'll give it a shot and see. Hopefully it's good.
Well, we hope so.
So here's the Israeli beer we've been talking about.
Yeah, now originally back in 1950 when it came out, it was called the Neshar Goldstar beer.
Yeah, now they kept that iconic Goldstar, which they just call it Goldstar now, as being brewed from the Palestine Beer Brewery.
Yeah, and it's coming out of Netanya, Israel. And what's exciting and I thought was interesting is that 60% of all beer sales coming out of Israel are now Goldstar beer.
Wow.
And they are officially the largest brewery in Israel.
Cool.
Now another thing I thought was interesting about this, Big Al, is that they use a 60-plus-year-old recipe where they combine light roasted malt and dark roasted malt to create a unique flavor on the backside of it.
Let's see what it tastes like.
Let's just get it out and look at it. Oh, it is a sharp label. It's got that classic look. It just looks like a traditional... It
looks like a beer label.
Yeah, looks like a traditional beer label.
Sure, yeah.
Not like we haven't had a beer label or two before. But yeah, it's got the gold star on top.
Let's flip the yarmulke and see who wins.
Oh, let's do it. You call it, Big Al.
Heads.
Good
All
job.
right.
All right. Oh, that was too funny.
It looks like beer.
Yeah, it does. Looks like a dark beer.
So what is it officially called? A dark lager?
Yeah, it's considered a dark lager.
Okay.
Some people class it as a red lager. But
Yeah, it looks amber.
yeah, it's kind of got that red amber,
Look at all
red
the
ale look.
bubbles.
Oh my gosh, it just lines the whole glass.
Yeah, it does. It's interesting.
I sure hope you can get a picture of that. What do you think of the smell on that?
Unpleasant. It's mild. I'd say it's probably just a 1.
Yeah, I'd say
Typical
so.
thing.
Let's take a shot of it. See what I think.
Oh, nice.
Wow, that's
Nice.
very
It's just
clean,
a
crisp.
clean beer.
Yeah. What do you think on our bitter to sweet?
Again, it's probably a 1. That's
Yeah.
pretty normal.
I think we could class this as a traditional lager. I mean,
Yeah. You know, apparently it's industrial. They're producing so much of it.
speaking of that, what do you think on categories?
Well, you said traditional.
Traditional?
I said industrial.
I'd say
think
definitely
it's-
guzzler.
Yeah, I think it's a guzzler. It's refreshing.
Yeah.
Let's go with that too, shall we?
I'd say that pretty well sums that up.
Yeah, it's a little bit stronger taste than maybe something you'd want to give a first timer, but
Right. I think that's probably why some people are classing it as a red lager. It's kind of got that.
it does.
It's
That
not really.
malty-
Yes, that's a good way to put it. It's a
Yeah.
maltiness to it, which gives it a little stronger taste. But I don't think that's bad. I don't think it's negative
good.
in this
It's
case.
good.
So I think this is the first beer we've ever had that promoted itself as combining light and dark roasted malt.
Yeah, that's
And,
interesting.
and it does give a unique flavor. So what do you think overall, Big Al?
You know, I would probably land on a 3. What do you think?
Yeah, I think so.
Good all-around beer.
Yeah, I think it's going into summer. This is another beer sitting out by the pool after a hard day's work. I mean, this would be good on any occasion. Definitely, like you said, refreshing, crisp, very good.
Yeah, nice stuff.
Good stuff. So hopefully, some of our fans out there in Israel send us some from the
That'd be great.
country.
What's the alcohol content on this?
This was only running 4.9.
Okay, so pretty
So
mild.
yeah, once again, falls right into that typical category. Good lager for summer.
Fantastic.
Big Al,
Charlie?
here's to God, guns, and rock and roll.
Amen.
Amen.
Yeah,
It's surprising.
you have to fly over to Tel Aviv or someplace
Yeah,
and
get some more of that. I'm shocked. I had no idea there was beer coming out of Israel.
Good stuff.
Good stuff.
Well, hope you enjoyed the video. We enjoyed making it,
Oh yeah.
and we enjoyed drinking the contents.
Amen.
So until next time, I'm Big Al.
I'm Charlie.
Hey everybody, welcome to another video of Free Beer Charlie. I don't know what I'm talking about.
I guess that 60% of all beer. How far?
We were so close.
So close.
Okay. So here's the Israeli beer we've been talking about.
Yeah. It is.
Yes, it is. So Charlie, do you know the slogan behind this beer?
Yes, I do actually.
Oh, well, give that man a gold star. What is the slogan?
That's the slogan. Give that man a gold star. Oh, that's awesome.